Hello, passionate gardener. Welcome back. Today is a nice sunny weather and the temperature is rising, so it's time to make your garden tidy up. So I'm going to plant some plants. You can see a lot of Christmas tree around the corner in my balcony. Lot of pots, one after another. There are little bird is there. It's laid some eggs, and the place is not tidy up enough, so I have to tidy up today. I'll be plant some new plants here. These are my like old plants. These rose, gooseberry and black kind plants are here. They are a bit congested, but I'll be just cleaning up today and just putting those other pots better. So there are a lot of new flowers coming up. You can probably notice some flowers there, and yeah, these are the new pretty flowers are here. The rose are going to grow as well, and this is the strawberry. A lot of strawberry flowers are coming up. I planted some strawberry already, so here like other flower, this is the one of the flower plant. Lot of yeah, this flower is nice. This is already 2 years old. So let's start tidy up. So I have just putting the pots, cleaning up those pots and doing some digging up. So just and planting some vegetables and chilies, vegetable in the sense like tomato plant and chili plants. So just putting one of that. I have done the fast forward because you may get bored by seeing me one by one, so I'm planting all together and putting the pots in a right manners and like bit organized way to do. So earlier my pot was not there, like not organized, plant was not organized, so I placed those pots in organized manner and planted those plants. There are some aborigine I have planted today as well. So yeah, that's it. Like I've done my planting. This is a nice again sunny weather. You can see that I'm in balcony and it's a bit quite high, just to make sure they're in safe. Yeah, hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.